Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to turn on or off vanish mode on Instagram. So this is an easy guide and there are two ways to actually do that. So first, just log in onto the Instagram account or to your own Instagram account. So make sure you're logged in onto the right account, and right after here onto the upper part, you should be able to find in the messages. So let's head on a conversation here to go turn on and off the vanish mode on Instagram. So I have here one conversation. So as you can see, we're currently onto a normal conversation, and for the first step to turn on and off the vanish mode is to click onto the name of the conversation, click onto privacy and safety, and right after you should be able to find in vanish mode in there. So as you can see, seen messages will disappear when you close the chat. So you could turn that one on by toggling this and turn that off by toggling this. So let's just leave it as it is. As you can see, it is currently turned on already. And to turn that one off, you'll just have to go back here to privacy and safety and toggle off the vanish mode. Right after, there is an easier way to do this. You'll just have to swipe up. And as you can see, you could release it to turn on the vanish mode. So the same way on how you turn that one on, and the same thing to turn this one off, you'll just have to swipe this up again and release it to turn off the vanish mode. And that is how to turn on and off the vanish mode on Instagram easy guide. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.